TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices are higher. Dow Jones up 152 points, trading at 25,000. You heard it right, 25,075. S&P's positive by 13 points, trading at 2726. And NASDAQ positive by 12 points, trading at 7,077. Has a good ring to it. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading at 2725. Highs of the day at about 10:30 this morning, pulling back a bit, but still relatively near those highs. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different pattern, bouncing around a bit, currently trading at 65.95. There's your Dow 30, currently trading at 25,050, was up to about 25,079, was the high about 10:40 a.m. this morning for the futures. Gold staying at their highs, 1320 in the yellow precious metal. Crude oil bouncing around a bit, 61.93. Crude, we had inventories at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You see, we got quite a little bid there. And let's pull up those inventories as we speak. So here's your crude numbers that came out at 11. We had a decline of 7.4 million barrels. The estimate was only 4.7 million barrels. So less oil, less supply. From there, the market goes higher. And what else we have? Bitcoin, how about it? 14,727 currently in Bitcoin. While we're on the cryptocurrencies, happen to jump around. The other big one out there, of course, Ripple making waves in the headlines, but Ethereum currently trading 982. It's a daily chart I have up here for Ethereum. You can see kind of the run that it's had in the last few days, gunning for 1,000. We'll see if we get there, but Ethereum 982. So other news you have out there in the market, of course, you have Intel really suffering today with today and yesterday with the news that their processors provide the ability to be vulnerable to hacks, cyber attacks. So Intel getting hit, AMD benefiting from that, positive today. Tesla struggling with production of their Model 3. Let's jump over to some of those stocks right now. You got Tesla rebounding pretty well last time I checked. Yeah, check that out. Flat for the day. Was down all the way almost 305 up to 317 now. We'll jump around. AMD up another 5.5%. Quite a couple days for AMD. And Intel continuing to suffer. Intel down 2.3%, but off the lows. Was as low as 42.69. Rebounding a bit. Stay tuned. We got a man Steve Rhodes right now, and I'll talk to you next hour at the top of the hour at TFNN.com.